It's still a windy one.
Still windy.
Yay! What, 17? We're on 17? Yeah.
Oh, map 17.
I don't know if it's map 17. It does matter. 17.
17.
Going
Height
over
17.
by Glen Haffy.
Happy. Happy or happy? Happy.
Polyomata Azuri. What? But they're not allowed to play. He's not allowed to play with it, you know. And he's refusing to go into karate because the cap gun is in the car. I know. Okay.
Couples who have like independent career goals, lives, you know, they do it. They can come together, have lots of fun, and then really stay. I have vacation days I must use. 18.7 days.
Oh, so what he does is he learns what the codes are and what the names of the colors are. Thinks that he's wasted his time. He's really frustrated and heartbroken. And he gets back in the car. So, because I kind of want to, I'm providing context-sensitive prompts to. I don't think you're colorblind. Of all the things, of any deficits. I think that's an entirely plausible I got to make
the timing's got to.
Yeah, I got to work on my timing. But I got to make the details just a little weirder.
I've never seen that. He's much bigger than those like emerald ash. Look at this one. Get it from real quick. very segmented. He's got many.
Creepy little door behind us. The kid.
Oh, get the date.
Oh, the kid.
The
It's the kid. Oops.
1890.
It's the kid's cemetery.
1892.
Mm,
Pretty cool, eh?
yeah. Anyway, whoa. We did it.
We did it. I think it was hike 17.
Yeah. Well, we
Is that
can
what
make
we
up
said?
whatever the numbers are.
You'll see the video with
Yeah.
the corrections.
Yeah. It was fun.
Yeah, it was. It was beautiful.